Off the coast of Dalian, a monumental challenge was accepted.
The old Zudashri airport was choking under the weight of a booming city. The only way to grow was into the sea. In 2011, the ambitious Dalian Jinzowan project began. The goal, 21 square kilometers of new land.
Before anything could be built, the ocean floor had to be conquered. Fleets of specialized vessels arrived to prepare the seabed, clearing away decades of soft silt.
The first step in claiming the sea was building a massive seawall, a fortress against the Bohai's tides.
Day and night, crews worked to lay the foundation of the perimeter, battling strong ocean currents.
Millions of tons of rock were transported from the mainland, dropped into the depths to form the island's spine.
Precision was key. Every boulder had to land in the exact calculated position. With the walls secured, the massive reclamation phase began. Sand was pumped continuously to fill the void.
Inch by inch, the ocean was displaced. The artificial island began to rise above the waves.
The scale was unprecedented. It was a 26 billion yuan investment in the future.
But creating land is only the first battle. Making it strong enough to hold an Airbus A380 is another. The newly formed ground was soft. It needed extreme, deep foundation treatment. Vibro-compaction machines drove deep into the earth, vibrating the sand to eliminate air and water pockets. Engineers faced complex geological conditions. Uneven land subsidence was a constant threat.
Dynamic compaction dropped massive iron weights from cranes, sending shockwaves through the island to harden the surface.
Miles of drainage networks were installed to bleed the remaining seawater out of the soil. By 2024, the reclamation was largely complete. The ocean had yielded to human engineering. The canvas was ready. Now, it was time to build a mega hub. Terminal construction officially began. But the reclaimed land required the deepest foundations. Thousands of concrete and steel piles were prepared to anchor the terminal to the bedrock below the sea. Each strike echoed across the bay, securing the future of Dalian's aviation. Thousands of cubic meters of concrete were poured continuously to form the terminal's footprint. Quality control was paramount. On an artificial island, there is no margin for error. These lifelines would eventually power the 900,000 square meter terminal. With the foundation cured, the skeleton of the Starfish terminal began to rise.
Simultaneously, work began on the first two of the planned 4 runways.
Each runway spans 3,600 meters, designed to accommodate the heaviest global freight.
The runway subbase was laid with meticulous care, layer by layer, to prevent future shifting. Graders perfectly leveled the stone, creating a flawless geometric plane across the island.
Further compaction ensured the runway would never yield to the weight of landing aircraft. Back at the terminal site, the structural steel advanced at a staggering pace.
Thousands of tons of steel were welded to form the complex, sprawling arms of the Starfish.
The roof trusses, designed to withstand intense coastal storms, were hoisted into position. It was a delicate dance of heavy machinery and human precision. The sheer scale of the 500,000 square meter Phase 1 terminal was now visible to the world. The runways demanded an incredibly durable asphalt mix, to withstand harsh ocean winters.
The first layers of the runway were laid, a dark runway contrasting with the sea. Continuous rolling ensured absolute density and a friction-perfect surface. Advanced drainage systems were installed to keep the runways clear during typhoons. The design maximized natural light while providing insulation against the ocean winds. Inside the central hub, a forest of scaffolding supported the massive vaulted ceilings. The sweeping roof, a marvel of modern architecture, was assembled in modular sections. Piece by piece, the protective shell of Jinzhouwan Airport was secured. Runway lighting, essential for the dense fogs of the Bohai Sea, was meticulously installed. Miles of cabling connected the runway to the central control systems. The parking aprons, designed to hold dozens of wide-body jets, were cast in heavy-duty concrete. A flawless surface was created to handle the immense weight of stationary aircraft. Rising above it all, the new air traffic control tower took its place as the island's sentinel. From this vantage point, controllers would manage the skies over Northeast Asia. The terminal's glass facade was installed, designed to withstand hurricane-force winds. Every seam was sealed. The airport had to be an impenetrable fortress against the sea. Inside, the life support systems of the megastructure were being woven into the ceilings. Climate control for a 900,000 square meter facility requires unprecedented power. To move millions of passengers efficiently, an underground transit system was built. This hidden network would connect the sprawling arms of the Starfish terminal. The airport needed a lifeline to the city. A massive sea-crossing bridge and highway system was constructed. The baggage system, a complex maze of conveyors, was engineered for flawless sorting. State-of-the-art security and tracking systems were integrated into every belt.
Scan operational. Green light confirmed.
The full process ensures seamless, high-tech baggage handling. The interior design reflected the ocean around it, with flowing lines and massive open spaces. Every detail was crafted to give passengers a sense of awe and efficiency. With a goal of 1 million tons of cargo annually, massive logistics hubs were erected. Dalian was positioning itself not just as a passenger hub, but a global freight powerhouse. A massive underground aviation fuel network was laid, connecting to off-site storage. Safety and efficiency drove the design of the refueling infrastructure.
Alignment is perfect. Initiating the weld. Weld complete. Quality check passed.
The runways received their final surface, maximizing grip for heavy aircraft in wet conditions. The runway markings were painted, transforming a stretch of asphalt into an active airstrip. Miles of taxiways were marked, guiding future planes to their gates. Navigational aids were erected, preparing the airport for absolute operational readiness. The brain of the airport was powered on. The control tower was equipped with next-generation radar. Systems online. Radar arrays are scanning. This marks a significant step in the airport's technological advancement. A digital nervous system connected every camera, sensor, and light on the island. Even on an artificial island, landscaping was added to bring life to the concrete expanses. These plants were specially chosen to survive the harsh, salty winds of the Bohai Sea. The terminal floor, sprawling across hundreds of thousands of square meters, was laid with precision. The finish had to be immaculate, reflecting the modern ambition of Northeast China. Dozens of check-in islands were installed to handle the massive influx of future travelers. Flight information displays were powered up, illuminating the vast hall. Vertical transportation networks were integrated, connecting the multi-level megastructure. Every system underwent rigorous testing to ensure passenger safety and flow. State-of-the-art security checkpoints were established, prioritizing both safety and speed. Dozens of boarding bridges were attached to the starfish arms, reaching out like tentacles. These bridges were calibrated to mate perfectly with everything from a 737 to an A380. The arrivals hall was finalized, ready to welcome the world to Dalian. Energy-efficient lighting illuminated the terminal, creating a bright, welcoming atmosphere. Advanced safety systems were primed. The building was designed to protect millions. Emergency response teams familiarized themselves with the massive new offshore territory. Final inspections of the runways confirmed what the engineers promised: absolute perfection. The clutter of construction was stripped away, revealing the true majesty of the airport. The facility was scrubbed clean, the dust of reclaimed land washed away. Inside, the floors were polished to a mirror shine, reflecting the incredible roof design. The digital systems were synchronized, connecting Dalian Jinzhouwan to the global aviation network. Radar systems went live, scanning the skies over the Bohai Sea. As the runway lights blazed to life, the artificial island declared its readiness to the world. Before commercial flights could begin, rigorous flight testing validated the navigation systems. Controllers monitored every data point, ensuring the electronic glide slope was flawless. On the ground, massive logistical drills simulated the chaos of a fully operational mega hub. Green energy initiatives powered the ground fleet, making it a model of modern sustainability. The terminal glowed against the night, a beacon of human achievement built from the seafloor.
Every inch of the 900,000 square meters was inspected and approved.
The main power grid was locked in, securing the airport's independence. Pilots across the region trained for the unique coastal approaches of Jinzhouwan.
Localizer captured, glide slope active. Reducing speed, flaps full. Runway in sight, continue approach.
The name was set in stone. The legacy of the old Zhoushuizi airport was officially passed on. After years of defying the ocean, the world's largest artificial island airport was complete. After years of defying the ocean, the world's largest artificial island airport was complete. The ground crews stood ready. The infrastructure was alive. Clearance was granted. The airspace was officially opened. The first test flight approached, casting its shadow over the Bohai Sea. Rubber met the runway. The reclaimed land held firm. Phase 1 was a success. 43 million passengers a year would soon follow this path. A traditional water salute welcomed a new era of aviation in Northeast Asia. From an empty patch of ocean to a global mega-hub, the vision was realized. Dalian Jinzhouwan International Airport, an engineering titan born from the sea. A testament to human will, standing ready to connect the world.